Hello and welcome to another Q&A video. Today's question comes courtesy of Surfers, who says, "Very good content. I am trying to create a stock software that can put products there and remove with price, category and quantity of stock. As a data frame, I'm using pandas, but how can I keep the data into the software and how can I create an interface with login, etc.? Can you just name for me the tools that would help in that journey? Thanks." Well, first of all, thank you, Surfers, for your support and your comment. To answer your question, I think we can break down what you are trying to achieve into three main parts: a data repository, a graphic user interface, and a piece of code in the middle containing the actual management software. The data repository can be a simple Excel or CSV file, which contains all the items you have in your inventory, their quantity, price, and any other details you may want to include. You can manage this repository either directly through dedicated software or through your Python code. For this, you may find many useful libraries and commands. The most common and versatile, of course, is pandas, which can easily read and write both Excel and CSV files. You can also use the CSV module to read and write, you guessed it, CSV files. And last but not least, NumPy also allows you to save and retrieve multi-dimensional arrays of data, so it's basically up to you to choose which one suits your needs best. If you wish to learn more about the Python library though, I'm making a series of videos on this topic, the first of which you can find at the link above. Moving on to the graphic user interface, there are a million options to choose from. I would personally recommend tkinter, as it's widely used and hence easier to find hints for. I will also be making a series of videos on this module soon, so stay tuned, and if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe. Should you wish to explore any of the several other options though, I will leave a link below to the full set of modules for creating your own Python GUI. The code in the middle is where all the main calculations are performed. You can do these using any of the many techniques we've seen so far, such as using lists, NumPy arrays, dictionaries, and so on. Just remember, if you need any assistance, then make sure to watch my tutorial series, linked above, or leave a comment down below. With that, I hope this answer has provided many of you with the hints you needed. And thank you once again to Surfers for submitting the question. As always, make sure to keep your questions coming, and, you never know, yours might be featured next in a full explanation video. All that's left for me to say now is I look forward to seeing you all next week, and until then, happy coding!